Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can show your internet speed on your status bar. Yeah, it's not that hard though, it's really easy. So you just have to follow some of my steps. If you follow my steps, you can easily show speed on your status bar, like internet speed. So let's get started. First you have to go to Play Store, and then here you have to search speed. So here you can see internet speed meter light, so you have to install it instantly, and it's going on. Yeah, it will take a little bit time, so just wait for that. And here's installing. After that you have to open, and then you just have to go if you are using YouTube and like this. So you can see here your internet speed is showing out here. So what's the speed? Like it's showing 040, like it will show here. So that's it guys, that's how you can show your internet speed on your status bar. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and hit the like button and do subscribe as well. Thank you guys.